Sup bro, it's your big brother Duty, and today I want to teach you how to start a video off in Resolve and go all the way to finishing and rendering, and most importantly, how to render it perfectly. Let's get started. Alright, so we're going to come in here and we're going to open up Resolve. You open up Resolve and it's going to go immediately onto this page right here. This is going to have all the projects you've ever had here. I like deleting my projects once I'm done with them because I don't like clutter and stuff. But if you don't, you're going to have right here Untitled Project. You're going to click here, New Project. You're going to name it. I'm going to name it Render. That's what we're going to do. We're going to learn how to render right now. We're going to click Create. Easy peasy. We're going to go here into our first tab. We're going to see, you see these tabs down here? These are our tabs that we are concerned about today. We are mainly concerned with this tab right here, which is our media tab, which is where we're going to put in our clips. We're going to go here. This one right here is our editing tab. And then finally, we're going to go here, which is our exporting tab. So let's start with right here. We're going to go with our media tab, and we're going to add in the videos we want to edit today. So first things first, we're going to do import media. You're going to right click, import media. It's going to take you to wherever you want. I have these two clips right here that I'm ready to put up. And then if you get this pop up, click change. If you record it in 1080p, that's going to change your whole thing to be in 1080p. And there we go. We got our media in. Next thing we want to do is we want to go here. And from here, we want to make sure we are in our media. We have our media pool clicked up here. And you should see your videos right here, the videos you put in. I only put these two videos in right now because I thought it would be nice and easy to show you guys what we're doing today. All right? So our next step is to grab these videos and put them on our timeline. So this right here is our timeline. We're going to grab this one and just drag it, drop it, boom, first video in, drag the next one, drop it, second video in, put them together. We got a timeline up here. That is our video going on there. I'll give it a little play real quick so you guys can check it out. But it's super simple. It just plays the videos for you. You got everything in here and it's all good to go. The video is going. They just watch them real quick to make sure that they're looking good. And boom. Alrighty, so that's it. That's pretty much all our videos. That's all we got on them. So now what we want to do is I'm going to show you guys a little quick tip too, to zoom in and zoom out on the video here. You're going to click Alt and scroll up or down on your mouse wheel, and it should allow you to zoom in and out of the video. That is really helpful in later on when you're trying to do things like go to the effects library, add transitions, audio transitions, titles, generators, effects. We'll have a whole video going over everything you can do up in here. But basically right here, that is the entrance point, right? We put in our videos in. We went from our media pool to our effects pool, but our videos are in. We're not going to add any transitions. We're not going to do anything because we got to get to the real good part. We got to go over here to our little deliver area, to our little rocket ship, and get this render going. So basically the render is going to be all taken care of right here. You want a custom render. All these 1080p for YouTube, for Vimeo, they're okay, but they're not exactly the best quality that you can get, and it could actually mess with you a lot. So what you want to do is you want to go here, you want to go to format, and then you want to go to MP4. That is going to be the highest quality. It's going to give you a pretty big file size, but it's going to be really good quality. Codec, I go H.264. That's what I have right here. Resolution 1920 by 1080p at 60 frames per second. Quality, go to the best. It's gonna make your render time a little bit longer, but it's gonna make sure you get everything perfect. Encoding profile, I go auto. That's gonna help keep everything where it's at. Keyframes automatic, and frame encoding, keep that checked. And that is pretty much it. Everything you got to do is right there. So now you're going to click add to render queue. You're going to name it again, render, because this is the timeline. Put it wherever you want. I'm going to put it right there. And now you're going to see that it's going to pop out over here on the render timeline. So here's the part. You have not rendered your video. You might think you have. That's what I thought the first time I did this. But what you have to do is you have to come over here, click this, and then click start render. And now our render is in progress. See right here, it's going to take about 25 seconds to finish it off. And that'll be just it. You'll have your video. Once it's completely done, the video will be ready and done for you to get going. So that's pretty much it, guys. I will show you the video as soon as it's ready. But that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. I try to make it as quick and as to the point as I could. Try to make this as easy for everyone to get going. It's the first step to learning Resolve. How to bring your videos in, and then how to render them. We will work on getting everything going on how to add transitions and how to snip things and how to cut things and how to extend videos and all that in future videos, or they might already be up on the channel if you're watching this on a later date. So stay around, stick around, subscribe if you haven't done so already to get all those videos on Resolve, to get a lot of tips on how to use OBS, Stream Elements, and Streamlabs, because that's the one my brother uses, and all that kind of great stuff that'll help you with your streaming and YouTube careers. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, if you guys did, please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys pretty soon.